shit.
Gang shit, good gang shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't been posting many videos lately. I've just had a lot of other stuff going on in my life. My wife and 3 of my children have COVID, and then I've just been knocking out some repairs here between going to the doctor's visits and going to work because I'm negative, so they still have me coming into work. But just going back and forth doing 10 million other things. We have been doing some other things that I have recorded, but I just haven't completed the series, and I'd rather release it as a series, like the S2000 that we've been working on that. I have a couple videos ready to go on that, but we've just got to do a few more things to complete that series. But today I'm actually going to go ahead and start focusing back on the drag, and I got to get this motor and transmission out so that I can send the gear set out to Tall Pines Racings to have it treated. We're doing the super finish on that. Some people call it REM. So just doing it on the whole gear set, and we've got the replacement gear X 4th gear as well as the transfer gears over here on the side. I think I've already shown those in the videos, but I also wanted to talk about a few other little things. I was going to do a contest on this video right here, just in the comments. I'm just going to pick a random comment, and that person will win a shirt, a Green Dragon shirt. I just have a few more of these left. I'm trying to clear them out and get some fresh merch in. You know, I'm trying to also revamp some of the merch to where it'll be more affordable to you guys and to where I'm actually making some money, because I actually lost money on these. But I mean, it is what it is, you know. Just trying to do something until something sticks. So, but the Green Dragon shirt, you can see it has the Honda Resource logo on the front, and then also the Green Dragon stuff on the back, as well as the little Honda Resource logo back there. I just have a few more of those in stock. If you do want one, you can head over to the website, thehondaresource.com, and pick one up over there today. I'm actually going to discount them to where we can go ahead and get the few that I have left out. Again, I'm losing money on them, but whatever. Also, I've mentioned in some of my previous videos that I am now a PLM dealer, and if you'll go over to my website and anything you buy PLM, I'll give you 10% off. And all you have to do is whenever you get to checkout, just put in PLM 10, and it'll give you 10% off everything on this website that you order this PLM. And you know, it's helping you guys out, and it's also helping me out, and you know, just trying to make this thing a reality. I'm really looking to retire from my job, and it's just a several step process. I'm vested with the state now, so I have my 10 years, so I can leave and still keep my retirement. But I'm trying to get some other things in place first, and that way we can primarily focus on doing the Honda stuff. It's not even for the YouTube, especially not at this point, because I'm not making hardly any money, but just working on the Hondas. So anyways, go to the comments and just write some kind of comment. I don't care what it is, and like I said, I'm just going to pick some random comment and they'll win a shirt. So one of my only requirements for that is please be subscribed to the channel. So trying to get the subscribers up too. They were growing pretty good there for a minute, and they just kind of plateaued off. It's probably partially my fault, because you know, I just haven't been doing frequent uploads like I usually do, and like I said, I've just had other factors in my life prohibiting me from doing that. Also, while we're on the subject of PLM, I have this brand new PLM Sidewinder manifold for a K series. It's a T3 flange with a 44 mil wastegate, and I had got this in with some of my stocking order of PLM parts, and with the thought that if it didn't sell, I was going to use it on my EK. I've got an EK coming in that I'm going to replace the Dragon with. You know, like I told y'all before, selling the EG was part of my retirement plan, because I'm going to use the money from selling this car to pay off my student loans, to where I don't have that debt over my head. But I've decided to go a different route with the EK, and I'm not going to be putting a K series in it. So I'm going to go ahead, and we're probably going to do a raffle on this. So if you're interested in doing a raffle on this, hit me up either on the Honda Resource Instagram page or the Honda Resource Facebook page, and it'll probably be like 30 spots at 20 bucks or 20 spots at 30 bucks, which is the retail price of this. So, but put somebody either win it for 20 or 30 bucks. So, and I may do this with some other PLM stuff if this goes off well. So, just let me know. And, you know, like I said, if there's enough interest in doing it, then we'll do it. But if there's not enough interest, then I'm not going to bother. Because, like when we did the 8th gen giveaway, it just wasn't worth my time. It was too much of a hassle. I don't want the hassle. Or if you would like to purchase one of those, I can get you one of those too. You can just hit me up again in the DMs, or you can go over to the website, and I'll get you taken care of. I have headers, K-series headers, B-series headers, K-series engine stands, map sensors, throttle bodies, all-wheel drive diff mounts, all kinds of stuff. So if you're interested in any of that, head over to the website. You can check out the whole list of stuff that I have available over there, and then you can either purchase it there, hit me up on DMs and stuff, whatever, and pay for it if you know, you want to save a couple more dollars buying it off the website. So anyways, back to what we're going to do here. Today I'm just going to go ahead and pull this whole swap out, because with the all-wheel drive, the transmission won't clear the subframe without pulling the whole swap. So I'm just going to drop this whole swap out again and get this transmission gear set sent off to Tall Pines Racing. So I'm just going to throw in some time lapse while I'm pulling it out. All right, so now I've got everything loose. So I've got my PLM K-Series engine cart right here. And I'm gonna bolt it onto this engine. That way, whenever I let it down, it'll sit on this stand, and it should be at the right angle and everything, to where we could just sit it down and then move it around and do whatever we want to do. So let's see if we'll bolt this thing up. I know it fits K20 blocks that I just had on my K20 A2 block over here, but this is a K24 block. So we're gonna see if it'll fit this real quick. All right, so it came right out. One thing about this engine stand, like I said, it is designed for the K20. So this one mount right here doesn't line up. The other three did line up fine. So they are supporting it right now. Also, before you mount this stand, you need to remove this one transmission bolt, because you won't have access to it. But you see it just mounts here, there, and then on the other side. I also had to take out the half shaft, so I had a little break in the action there for a second while I took out the half shaft. And then so now I can get this transmission unbolted off of here, and the stand here is still going to be holding the engine. I like to not to take my radiator off this go around, just to try it out. I've seen some other people do it like that, and figure I'd give it a shot. We'll see. But right now I just need to get it to where I can finish unbolting this transmission. So it's just a couple bell housing bolts I got to finish, like taking off the scatter shield, so that I can get that off. And now I got to get my Hub City T-bracket off here. And yeah, this is looking pretty good so far, and making good progress. So I was going to give you a little demo on this engine cart and show you how awesome it is. It's on a little bit of a tilt right now because it is missing that one mount there. But typically, like if you had a K20, it would hold it stationary and at the perfect angle and everything, so that you can roll it right up under your chassis, or like some of the people, they don't have the core support at all and they just roll it through the front. And I still got the upper, so I have to work it a little bit, especially with this big intake on here. But if you have a lift, I mean, you can roll it right into place under it. You can roll it around wherever you need to go. You can build the engine on this cart, you know, do all the trans-mounting and unmounting with it on the cart, everything. And then it's, again, mobile, so you can move it around wherever you need to go. So it's pretty neat. If you're interested in one of those, I have them on my website, thehondaresource.com. I'll put a link to that cart for a K-Series in the description. We also have some H-Series and some B-Series, but however, the B-Series are not in stock currently. So once those become available, I will put those on the site. But right now, let's get to getting this transmission off of here. Man, this thing got a triple disc on it. Sometimes it really makes me work to get it off. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but it's been pretty much that way every single time I've had to take this triple disc off. Usually a twin disc isn't terrible, but sheesh. So anyways, got that off now. And you can see I can still move my engine around wherever I need to move it. It's pretty cool. And maybe in the future, I can maybe modify this thing to where I can bolt a 24 to it with no problem. We'll see. We will see. It would be nice to have a stand to be able to hold a 24 as well as a 20. That's pretty much that. So, got the transmission off now. And now I can get it, let me turn this music down. Now I can get that torn down, the transmission, get it torn down and get it sent out to Jason over Tall Pines to have that treatment done on the gears. And then, like I said, I got the replacement fourth gear over here on the table, buried amongst the other junk that I've got in here. And the transfer gear are also, so. But again, thanks so much for checking out the channel. I'm sorry that I haven't been here a lot lately, but hopefully here soon I should be getting back in the swing of things and being more frequent with my uploads. Like I said, if you are interested in the raffle for the PLM Sidewinder manifold for the K-Series, hit me up over at the Honda Resource Facebook page or the Honda Resource Instagram. Let me know if you're interested, and if you think 20 spots at $30 or 30 spots at $20, whichever way, don't matter really to me. Just trying to help one of you guys out at a fraction of the cost. And I mean, I'm not making, you know, I make my little bit of commission off of basically selling it, but I'm not like price gouging you guys. I'm not like trying to get $800 for a $600 manifold. So it's brand new, had never been mounted on an engine, and basically I'm getting $600, which is the retail value of it. So and I'll ship it to you absolutely free anywhere in the United States. So, and also if you're interested in any other PLM products, check it out on the website, thehondaresource.com. And again, free shipping on anything PLM, and it's 10% off anything using the discount code PLM10, and that discount code is only good on my webpage at thehondaresource.com. It won't work on any other page. That's my discount to you guys. And also, if you're into fishing and stuff, go check out my cousin's channel. I'll put his channel's link in the description. The channel's name is Brim Bass and Beyond, and he's trying to reach to 1,000 subscribers. Right now, I think he's right around 600 or so, and all he does is fishing stuff. So if you're interested in fishing stuff, go over and check his channel out, give him some love, send him a few subscriptions. And if any of you other guys have channels that you're trying to get up off the ground, let me know in the comments, and I'll give you a shout out too. Maybe we could start a new series doing the shout outs at the end of every video for you guys. So anyways, guys, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the channel. Hope to see you in another one soon. Leave a comment, to get in that contest for the free t-shirt. Please leave me a like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.